Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the BabyTiger Wi-Fi security camera. On the front of the box, we have an illustration of the security camera. To the left of it, we have a few of the salient features like infrared mode for night vision, TF card storage support, wireless technology, pan and tilt functionality, compatibility with iPhones and Androids, two-way intercom facility, and smart cloud facility as well. On the left hand side, we simply have a QR code that is not relevant for consumers. On the right hand side, we have a few images over here that basically show the use case of the security camera. These pictures are just pictures of rooms that basically you can keep an eye on with a security camera like this. On the bottom, we have an illustration of the various devices that this product is compatible with, like iPhones, Androids, iPads, and tablets, and computers. The back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, so is the top, and there's nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of the product manual. This can help you get started off with using the device and help you with the setup process and understand the various features and functions. Up next is the power adapter. Its input voltage is 100 to 240 volts AC and output voltage is 5 volts at 1.5 amperes. It has a standard 2-pin Indian plug, plastic build, and has a USB Type A interface on the other end. With this, we have the power cable. It's approximately 30 inches in length and it has a USB Type A interface which goes into the power adapter and a micro USB interface that goes into the security camera itself. We also have some mounting implements in the form of two screws, and this basically helps with mounting this bracket onto a appropriate location. The mounting bracket has a flexible arm, and these knobs can be used to tighten the arm into a desirable position. It also has a locking mechanism, which has the counterpart on the underside of the security camera. Uh, Once this mounting bracket has been screwed into an appropriate location, you can simply use the locking mechanism and twist it into place, and now the camera can rest in its desired location. Now coming to the security camera itself, we can see that it has a black and white color theme going for it, with it being predominantly white in color. We also have a blue highlight around the base, that the base where it uses for panning and tilting. Starting from the top, we have the lens module right in the middle. Around it, we have the IR blasters that help with night vision. This thing is rotatable, and on the bottom side right here, we have the TF card input. The back side of the security camera has two antennas. Each of them is flexible and rotatable. Underneath the antennas, we have the power input, the micro USB power input that we saw earlier on the cable. Next to the power input, we have the reset button. Here we also have the speaker grill, which enables two-way communication. So let's set this device up with its application and see it in action now. So now that we have set up the security camera using the V380 Pro app on an Android smartphone, we can use the app itself to change and control various functions of the security camera. For example, we can use the app to take snapshots, record video. There's also a speak function that allows you to communicate directly using this security camera. There's a replay function, and there is also a more tab. We can also use the motorized pan and tilt function of the security camera to change the direction in which the camera is pointed, like this. As you can see, the inputs made on the app correlate to real-time inputs on the security camera. So this was the unboxing and look at the BabyTiger Wi-Fi security camera. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.